Hi, welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. If you're new here, my name is Shelly. If not, welcome back. Today is a special day. Today is Cinco de Mayo. If some of you may not know, I am Mexican American. My family, about 4 generations, came over from Mexico. So today we are celebrating. If some of you may not know, it is a celebration of when the Mexican army gained victory over the French Empire in 1862. So we celebrate that on Cinco de Mayo. The #1 asked questions from beginner Cricut users or beginner custom apparel users or beginner crafters, whatever the case may be, is how do you use pattern HTV? It's different than regular HTV. It's different than flock HTV. It's different from glitter HTV. It's just different. Some people don't know. Some people will definitely ask. I'm here to help. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, so like I said, in observance to Cinco de Mayo, I went ahead and got a Cinco de Mayo themed pattern HTV. This is called the Mexican Blanket Pattern HTV, and it is on my website if you would like to purchase this as well, and then you can make your own custom apparel at home. So go ahead and visit our website, flashcustomdesigns.com. So go ahead and you can order your own Mexican Blanket Pattern HTV yourself. And we have a numerous amount of other pattern HTVs. Like I just mentioned, flock, regular HTV, glitter. We also have custom apparel, blanks for your own custom apparel business. Check us out at flashcustomdesigns.com. We have it all: tote bags, drawstring bags. Just check us out. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and to my husband's channel, Straight Outta Content. All right, like I said, let's get straight into the video. This is our pattern HTV, so let's go ahead and take a look on how to get it cut. Go ahead and move over to our Cricut design space, and if you're not sure how to upload an image to your Cricut design space, go ahead and check out one of my other videos, and I'll show you how to navigate through Cricut design space. Today is working on pattern HTV, so we already have it uploaded and we're ready to go. So we would go ahead and hit make. And the most important thing with working with pattern HTV is you do not mirror. Other typical HTVs you would mirror, pattern you do not. And I will definitely show you why you do not, but do not mirror your pattern HTV. So go ahead and we will hit continue. And your settings are the same as everyday iron-on, the same as HTV. The settings do not change. So we'll go ahead and hit everyday iron-on. I'll hit my default settings, and then we'll go ahead to the Cricut and go ahead and get it cut. All right, so like we mentioned before, do not mirror your image and do not put your HTV face down. Typical HTV does go face down. This pattern HTV will go face up on your Cricut mat. So go ahead and put your pattern face up on your Cricut mat. My logo is just about this big, so I just used a little piece here. So we'll go ahead and load it and go. All right, we'll go ahead and unload it and weed it. Very easy, same weeding technique. We can take this off of our Cricut mat here. And zoom out. And let me cut out my design so we can see. And we will just weed it like any other image with HTV. So go ahead here, take this off. Easy breezy. Okay, this is coming up. You can just put that down. I have a little D right there. So that is my image. Okay, so let's go to our next step. All right, so this is where the technique comes in, and this is where the special step with using Pattern HTV comes in. Each Pattern HTV should come with masking tape, masking vinyl sheet, a masking sheet. Every HTV should come, every Pattern HTV should come with that. So if you are familiar with decals, then you kind of know how this works. So this is a sticky masking tape. This will put over the logo and then apply it to your shirt or whatever the case may be. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece off the size of my logo, just so we're working with a smaller piece, not so big. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, this is our masking tape. This is like a little textured side, and this is the plaque. So we're gonna go ahead and peel it off. One side is non-sticky, one side is sticky. So we're gonna go ahead and place it over our image here. And then we are going to use our little squeegee. So the goal is we want this masking tape to lift our Pattern HTV, lift it off its original backing, because we want to put this on our shirt. So go ahead, give it a good squeegee. So now this is what we're looking at. So let's go ahead and peel. This is our original. Peel it off. So it should peel off of our pattern. Perfect, perfect. Original. New with our masking tape. So this masking tape, I'm gonna go ahead and just trim it down. This masking tape allows us to heat transfer it to any garment you may need. And that is why we don't mirror it, because we're gonna put our masking tape over it and then we can heat transfer however we may need. So here we go. This is sticky, just like any regular HTV. This will definitely stick to any shirt. So let's go ahead. Our heat press is ready. So let's go ahead and press this onto a shirt. All right, we are at our heat press. Our heat press is at 350. So let's go ahead and get our shirt together. We just got a good plain white t-shirt. To get those colors to pop, go here. Here she is. So let's go ahead and put this on our shirt. Go ahead and give it a good measure where you want it. Typically do mine there. Oop. All right, so then we'll go ahead and press it for 30 seconds, 350, just like any regular HTV. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, look at all that smoke. All right, so let's go ahead and check out how well it pressed. See, it just peels like any regular HTV. Ooh, perfect. Here's our backing, and you're able to reuse this, just an FYI. All right, guys, I hope I answered all your questions today. If you have more questions, please reach out to me. You can contact me on my email, flashcustomdesigns@gmail.com, website, flashcustomdesigns.com, Instagram, Facebook. I am available to help you all. This is our final result. I love it, I love it. Again, happy Cinco de Mayo. Again, please remember to subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.